To this end, I encourage our healthcare workers to remain steadfast in your noble task of promoting our people's health and saving lives. Your efforts, especially in the past 2 years, have truly been heroic. For this, you have the full support and the eternal gratitude of the Filipino people. Ako man, salamat. Before I forget, salamat sa tulong ninyo sa gobyerno, tayo nagtulungan to fight COVID-19. Sa awa ng Diyos, at the start, hindi nga natin malaman kung saan tayo. Nung sinabi na there was this, it was spreading fast in Southeast Asia, I constituted immediately during the first meeting yung task force. Sila na yun. And to think that wala talaga tayo ay appointed, isang tao lang. Sabi ko, isang tao lang. Wala akong, I'm not attributing anything against, alam ko yung, kung ipadaan ko sa korupsyon. Sabi ko, isang tao lang, ikaw lang. And he started with nothing. And the first bakuna na rin galing China. Na yung ibang Pilipino magsabi that I'm too tamed. Ano ang gusto ninyo? Girahin natin to? Mapupulbos tayo lahat. And even this Rocos in Ukraine, magdasal lang tayo na it will not degenerate into something like a nuclear warfare.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.